miles away. Eagles have evolved into one of the most formidable aerial predators the natural world has ever known. Hawks twist through chaos with ruthless control. And vultures descend, not to kill, but to claim what others could not hold. This is not just survival. Boundless and unforgiving. There is nowhere to hide, and no room for weakness. Predators don't chase. They dive, strike, and vanish. Eagles collide mid-flight in contests of dominance. Falcons fall like missiles, turning the chase into a single fatal moment.